So this is the Ankobra Bridge Resort, which is situated at Ankobra. Ankobra is a town when you're heading towards Nzema in the Nzema land. It is a family friendly resort and a budget friendly resort. When you are here, you can actually have a full view of the Ankobra River, and this resort is actually situated at an advantageous position where you can wake up in the morning and then look at the Ankobra estuary that goes into the Atlantic Ocean. And one thing about this place is that people sometimes confuse this place with the Ankobra Beach Resort, but this is not the Ankobra Beach Resort. This is Ankobra Bridge Resort. From Takoradi to this place is about 1 hour and 20 minutes drive, which is about 65, 68 kilometers drive from Takoradi. So if you're looking forward to having a weekend getaway, I think this is the best place. You should check it out when you are in the Nzema land or in Western region. Thank you for checking up on this video, and let me know if you'd like to see more of this. Also consider following Famous the Drone. We have a lot coming up. Also let me know if you think it is necessary to add information to this video, or we should just leave it with the music at the background. About their room prices, I have put a number to this video, so get in touch and then start a conversation with them.